issue or one construct is the historic self, which is usually how we define the self. Historic self is the story of the self and its history and its memories. And because we have a paradigm or a conventional model that says that time comes from the past to the present to the future, we have a tendency to believe and to explain everything we are in terms of what's already happened. Too bad. They've already happened. There's also a tendency that whatever we know, or whatever we're learning, we attach to what we already know. So if that interferes with new learning. But there is that automatic tendency of mind to understand what's happening in terms of what we already know. So that works two ways. One way is that the sense of self is historic, and the other is that it's difficult to gain new insights. The luminosity of mind that we all seek cannot be found in terms of what we already know. And the self that's sitting on the cushion is not the one that's going to get it. So it requires a new way of knowing. It requires, that we recognize that this notion that we carry of self is a construct, it's a concept, and it's a memory. Evidence that it's a memory occurs all the time when you try to do something that you used to be able to do. Or think that you can still do something that you used to be able to do. Because you think you're the same self that used to do that. Despite evidence to the contrary. This idea is so convincing that we torment ourselves with it constantly. So we recognize that that self that we think we are is a construct, it's a concept, it's a memory, and not have it be our identity. Anything that is our identity, we get stuck with.